Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Minecraft with an incredible challenge that's truly out of this world. We're absolutely thrilled to be working on building the ultimate Stargate Portal, and we're hoping to bring this iconic gateway to life in Minecraft. So, buckle up, everyone, because this is about to get really epic. The legendary portal from that fantastic Sci-Fi series that enables interstellar travel, right? Well, today, we're going to take advantage of this incredible feature and bring it to life right here in our own favorite blocky world. So, buckle up and get prepared to witness the magic of the Stargate come to the forefront and transform your favorite game into an awe-inspiring experience. At this point, constructing a detailed Stargate in Minecraft is not going to be an easy or straightforward task. It requires a significant amount of planning and attention to detail, as well as a careful execution of each step. While it might seem like an intimidating challenge for some players, I'm here to assure you that with the right guidance and a step-by-step approach, anyone can successfully tackle the process of building their very own Stargate. First and foremost, we need to secure the appropriate materials. We'll be utilizing list of materials required, for example, quartz blocks, redstone, etc. Now, let's delve into the process of constructing the building in detail, step by step. We'll begin by creating a circular foundation, followed by the process of crafting the iconic rings. We'll also incorporate those intricate details that contribute to the signature look of the Stargate so strongly. Here we are, in this incredibly special and memorable moment of truth. Our Stargate project has finally been completed to the perfection that we all desire. Now, it's time for us to activate it with utmost care, attention, and utmost diligence, so as to witness the breathtaking and fantastic results that are eagerly awaiting us on the other side of this incredible journey. Yes, we absolutely did it. We have successfully constructed and activated the absolutely magnificent Stargate Portal in the astonishingly remarkable Minecraft game. It's genuinely astounding how this widely famous and iconic piece of sci-fi technology can be skillfully brought to life, and brought to life with such charm and elegance in the delightfully blocky world we all know and love so dearly. This absolutely fantastic Stargate Portal opens up an endless variety of breathtaking adventures and unexplored possibilities, guaranteeing an exhilarating and unforgettable experience for players that simply can't be resisted. What impression did you get from this Stargate building? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring more fantastic Minecraft tutorials and creations, don't forget to check out my other video collections. I hope to see you again in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.